Welcome back to our React Native layout series. Today we are focusing on the flex direction property and how it dictates the direction in which our child components are laid out within a container. In our container style, we can set flex direction to column, which stacks our view components vertically. This is the default direction, but explicitly defining it is good practice and makes our layout intentions clear. So let's change this to row. With row, they'll stretch across the screen from left to right in varying widths proportional to their flex values. You can see the difference. Let's make them same size. Can change this to a column. Let me quickly add some numbers so you can see it clearly. Let's add 1, 2, 3. We can add some style. Color white. Okay. All right, so we can change the flex direction to column reverse. This adjustment flips our layout upside down with box 1 now at the bottom and box 3 at the top. Let's check the default one. Now you can change this to row reverse. It's a subtle but impactful change, reversing the order of our elements. So they now read from right to left. Let me quickly change this to boxes. You can add 100 to all of this. So we can add column. This is the default one. and we can make it reverse, the default one reverse. And you can reverse this. And remember, while we are using fixed sizes here for demonstration, in real world applications, you might want to use relative sizes or percentages to maintain responsiveness across different devices. So thank you for watching. Happy coding. See you in the next video.